In today's video, I'm going to teach you make your computer and speed up laptop 200% faster for free. We're going to use only built-in Windows tools to clear temporary junk. Stop unnecessary apps from auto-starting. Reduce heavy visual effects. And tidy up storage so your system feels faster right away. Start by clearing system junk and temporary files. Programs and updates leave behind cache files that clog storage and slow file operations. Press Windows key plus R to open Run. Type temp. Press Enter. Select everything with Ctrl A and delete. If Windows says something is in use, skip those, they're fine to leave. Then repeat with %temp% to open your user's hidden temp folder and delete what's inside. After that, open the Start menu and search for Disk Cleanup. Right-click and run as administrator. Choose your system drive, then check the categories like temporary files, system cache, and previous Windows Update files and confirm. This can take a few minutes and can recover a surprising amount of space. Next, prevent heavy apps from launching at boot. Open Task Manager with Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC. Go to the Startup tab or Startup Apps on the left. In Windows 11, sort by startup impact and look for high entries. You don't need running all the time things, like chat clients, game launchers, or update helpers. Right-click and choose Disable. This doesn't uninstall the app, it simply keeps it from starting automatically. You can always come back and re-enable anything later. In the search bar, type View Advanced System Settings and open it. In the window that appears, select the Advanced tab and under Performance, click Settings. In the Visual Effects section, choose Adjust for best performance. Then click Apply and OK. Animations and transparency will be reduced, which lightens the load on your processor and graphics, making menus and windows open faster. Finally, optimize storage space. Windows runs best when your main C drive has at least 15 to 20% free. Open Settings, go to System, then Storage. Toggle on Storage Sense so Windows can automatically clear temporary files over time. While you are there, head to Settings, Apps and Installed Apps and remove old or unused applications you no longer need. Freeing up space helps Windows manage updates, virtual memory, and temporary files more efficiently. That's it. Thanks for watching.